I'm Gladys Valisa. You can call me Miss Gladys.
And I'm Joanna Libby. You can call me Miss Libby for short.
I'm Hafsa Mirafatun. You can call me Miss Hafsa.
Hi, I'm Radini Melichana Hariza. You can call me Miss Icha.
How are you today, students? We hope that all of you are doing fine.
On this occasion, we will learn about application letter.
Do you know what an application letter is?
If you're planning to applying for a job in the future, then you will need to make your own.
Before we go to our material, I will tell you about our learning objectives. First, student can explain what an application letter is.
The next is students can identify application letter structures.
And the third, students can create their own application letter.
And last one, students can apply for an application letter to a real life such as job interview.
First, the definition of application letter. An application letter is a formal document that accompanies a resume or curriculum vitae, or we normally know as CV, when applying for a job or internship. And its purpose is to introduce yourself to the employer, highlight your qualification, and express your interest in the position. Okay, students. Next, we will identify the structures of application letter. First, we have opening. Opening consists of applicant information like basic sender details for the letter, including full name, contact information, and address. The date indicates the date the letter is written. And then, recipient information includes details such as their name, position within the company, company name, company address, and contact information. The next one, greetings. It consists of a salutation to the letter's recipient, such as addressing them as, for example, Dear Miss. Okay, the next structure is body. It consists of introduction, self-promotion, skills, achievement, experience, and value to the company. The introduction begins with telling your full name, current position, whether you are a fresh graduate or currently employed, and then the position you are applying for and where you learn about the job opening. The second one is self-promotion. Now it is the time for you to promote yourself as suitable candidate for the position. This section includes skills. You can mention any skills that you have acquired through work or organizational experience. And then the next one, achievements. You can describe achievements that you accomplish, that you can focusing on challenges that you face in previous organizations or jobs and how you overcame them. Also, you can highlight areas where you excel. And then, experience. Outline previous work organizational experience of yours. And the last one, value to the company. You can explain what you can offer to the company to help achieve its goal. These sections can capture the company's interest in your job application. And then, the very last part is conclusion. In this section, you can summarize what is desired from writing the job application letter. The conclusion includes expectations. You can close the letter by stating expectation from the company being applied to and expressing hope for the further contact for the next stage. And then, willingness to work. Demonstrate willingness to dedicate oneself to the company. And then, we have come to the very last structure of application letter. It is closing. This is the final part of the letter. In closing, you need to include sign off. You can write sincerely or yours sincerely. And then signature. Write your own signature below the sign off. Then type your full name below the signature. The last part is attachments. After completing all the above, attach your CV for submission to the company. That's all for the structure of application letter.
After we know about the definition and also the structure that were already explained by Miss Gladys, next we move to the example of an application letter and we will analyze it with the structure together. Please take a look at the example here. This is application letter, basically the common application letter. I will give you 5 minutes to read it well. Now we move to the next, and these are the analysis of the previous application letter. There are 8 structures. From the very basic one, it is the sender information, contains the sender's name, address, phone number, and email address. In this case, it's Erin Griffiths with her contact details provided. Second is the date. It is when the letter is being written. So the purpose is to provide a reference point for when the letter was sent. The third is recipient's information. So this includes the recipient's name, title, company name, and address. Here it's addressed to Mr. George Leonard, Human Resource Manager at Atlantic Creative Studio. Fourth is salutation. It is the greeting at the beginning of the letter. In this case, it's Dear Mr. Leonard, which is formal and respectful. The fifth is introduction. In this section states the purpose of the letter and expresses the sender's interest in the job position. Erin Griffiths expresses her interest in the graphic designer role at Atlantic Creative Studio. Next is body paragraphs. These paragraphs elaborate on the sender's qualifications and experience relevant to the job. Erin highlights her experience as a freelance graphic designer and her interest in the company's working environment and reputation. After that, the conclusion paragraph. This paragraph reiterates the sender's interest in the position and expresses a willingness to discuss further in an interview. Last but not least is closing. A polite closing remark such as sincerely followed by sender's name. I believe all of you understand how to analyze the application letter. Next material is about how to write an application letter. Some of you perhaps confused how to write an application letter. Here are some steps. Please pay attention. The first is you have to research the company and the job position you're applying for. Understand their values, culture, and requirements for the role. Next is write down your contact information at the top of the letter, including your full name, address, phone number, and email address. Also, write the date you're writing the letter and the recipient's name, title, company name, and address. Address that recipient by name using Dear Mr. or Miss by using last name, or to whom it may concern if you don't have a specific name. Start with a strong opening that states the purpose of the letter and the position you're applying for. Express your interest in the role and briefly mention how you found out about the job. Elaborate on your qualifications, skills, and experiences that make you a suitable candidate for the job. Highlight specific achievements or experiences relevant to the position. Customize this section to match the job description and company culture. Close the letter by summarizing your interest in the role and reiterating why you're a strong candidate. Express your enthusiasm for the opportunity and your readiness to further discuss your qualifications in an interview. And the letter with a polite closing remark, such as sincerely followed by your name. Before sending, carefully proofread the letter for any grammatical errors or typos. Ensure it's well formatted and professional in tone. If required, include any additional documents such as resume, portfolio, or references. Alright, that's all from me about the example of the application letter, the analyze, and how to write an application letter. Next session will be handled by Miss Hafsa.
So, student, after you get the material about application letter, starting from definition, structure, the example, also the tips on how to write an application letter, now we have quiz time. So, there will be two parts. The first part is multiple choice. There will be a 10 question and it in Kahoot. So, I will provide the link, the game pin, also the barcode. You can scan it in here or you can enter it in Kahoot. And for the second part, it is analyzing the structure of the text and you must submit it to Padlet. And I will provide the link in here so you can submit your work. Okay, now let's play the quiz together. Okay, good job student. Thank you for playing it. Really well. And for the next session, it will be handled by Miss Icha. Bye!
Hi students, we are in the listening session right now. We have learned about application letters from the definition to how to create one. After the application letter is successfully created, you will send it to the company that is opening job vacancies. If your application letter passes, you will proceed to the interview session. The person interviewing is called the interviewer, while the person being interviewed is called the interviewee. Let's listen and watch an example of a conversation in an interview between Mrs. Phillips and Mrs. Stephen. You can scan the barcode here and then let's play the video. Note down what Mrs. Phillips asked and the answers given by Mrs. Stephen as a job applicant. Did you listen to the interview, students? I want to know about your understanding. Let's play a quiz. Scan this barcode and enter this code in the quizzes web. Take the quizzes according to your understanding and the time allotted. Good luck, students! Wow, you've done a lot of quizzes and activities. Great, student! How were the previous activities? Was it fun? Now, do you want to practice the interview session with me? But before that, me and Miss Hafsa will give the example.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
So, you have sent your application letter by email. You've applied for the marketing position, right?
Yes, Miss.
I'm Radini Mericha as Personnel Director. Please tell me about yourself.
So, my name is Hafsa Merafadrin and I am from Indonesia and now I live in Central Java, especially in Banyumas. I am 20 years old now.
What experience do you have?
I had worked for 2 years as a sales and marketing in a furniture company.
Why do you want to work for this company?
Because your company is one of the big companies in Bali and I am really interested to work here, Miss.
Okay, can you tell me your strengths and weaknesses?
I think my strength is I can work well both individually and within a team. And for weakness, I think sometimes I cannot control my emotion when I feel under pressure.
Alright, I'll finish our interviews now and make a decision by the weekend. I'll contact you next week.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to meeting you. I hope to hear a good news from you soon.
Okay, thanks for coming in to see us.
Okay, then, please answer my questions according to the subtitles that will be given below. Let's go! Good morning! So, you have sent your application letter by email. You've applied for the marketing position, right? Okay, I'm Radini Melicha as Personal Director. Please tell me about yourself. What experience do you have? Okay, why do you want to work for this company? Okay, can you tell me your strengths and weaknesses? Alright, I'll finish our interviews now and make a decision by the weekend. I'll contact you next week. Alright, thanks for coming in to see us. Great job! Practice these interview conversations with your friends too, so you can implement them when you enter the workforce later on. Okay, so that's all from me, students. Bye!
Okay, students, you have learned the application letter material and done all of the activities.
How do you feel? Are you happy or confused?
We hope that you understand more and more about this material.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Goodbye,
Goodbye,
students. Cheerio.
And counting